Hi everyone, we're gonna open a surprise unboxing. And it's electronics. I don't know what's inside, but let's get opening. So first, we're going to take out here, like this. Now we're gonna open it like this. Okay, now we're gonna take it out. Okay, we're gonna take it out now. Here's all of the stuff. We're gonna take out we're gonna take out the charger. Okay, I don't know what is this. Okay, so here we have these things and the charger and wire. Here's a bottle, something inside. Here's all of the stuff we have. Here's a pipe. I don't know what is the pipe for, but we'll figure out. Okay, so we unboxed Endoscopy Camera. With the light, we can brighten it more, and here we can brighten it less. So here's a phone, here's the camera. We need to put it in our ear and see the wax, and we can clean it with these, and then clean these with water and soap so they don't get dirty. So we can see, we can turn it upside down and right side up like that, and you can see my hand like this. See, you can see in green and red. There's a background of white here. It's really nice. Let's put it in our ear. Just a little bit. Okay, now you can see closely. You can see more closely like that. And so we can look inside our ear if there are any effects, and if there's more, we go to the doctor. They'll fix it and clean it like that. That's unfaxing, and I explain it. So you can see my hand. Here's a camera right here. You can see, look here, my hand. I can just put it, that's enough, and you can see like that. More closely, like only like this much. So if you just put it more closely, by touching it, it'll be dirty for cameras and phones. So don't do it, alright? Then you have to clean it. Then it'll be bad. Okay? This is Endoscopy Camera. Now that's it for today. Like and subscribe and hit the bell. And that's it for today. Bye. And I can see you. You can see my face here. That's it for today. Bye.